Hey guys, Terry Hay here again from Shock Treatment, and today we're going to talk about something a little different. Are you going as fast as you want to go? Of course, most people aren't. Most people, particularly racers, want to go quicker and quicker and quicker. And we're going to be looking at some speed secrets here. And basically what we're going to do is we're going to explain a lot of things that coaches will tell you, and they'll tell you what to do, but they don't necessarily tell you why you're doing it. So we're going to look at the actual science behind motocross racing, and we're going to look at how you can go faster just by understanding the dynamics that are occurring in your motorcycle and what you need to do to get the most of that. Now, when it comes to going fast, you cannot beat confidence. And here's the number one speed secret. Get that front wheel as planted as possible. The more glued that front wheel is to the ground, the better you're going to ride. You'll feel you can go faster, you'll feel you can jump further, you'll feel you can do a lot more on the motorcycle. And when it comes to confidence, if you don't feel you can do something, you won't. If you feel you can, you will. So put more confidence in that front wheel and you're going to naturally be faster. Now, if we look at a front wheel, I just happen to have one here. There are a lot of people who go and search out popular brands. Now, on the motocross scene, there are brands like Pirelli and brands like Dunlop that are actually dominating the scene. But we ran a junior rider-based team a few years ago. We actually took the Pirellis, we took the Dunlops, and we took Bridgestone. And we actually tested them all. We tested the tyres to find out the optimum tyre pressure. No one does that, and I don't know why they don't do it. It's so important. Test for optimal pressures. Don't just run 14 PSI, that's a waste of time. But what we did was we tested all these tyres at their optimal pressures, and then we tested Bridgestone, Pirelli, Dunlop. Bridgestone won every single time, okay? They are a much better tyre than the last tyre made in Japan. They've got higher quality rubber. If we're going to start off getting the most grip out of our front tyre, let's start with the best tyre, okay? You might like a Dunlop, you might like a Pirelli, you might get a deal, but have the best tyre on there that you can. Now, if someone is saving you $20 on a tyre, but it's going to cost you your championship, pretty dumb, okay? Sometimes it's better to pay the money, get the best rubber that you can, and go out there and win, or at least get yourself further up the field. So basically, confidence all starts with the best tyre. That's the first tip. After this, we're going to look at other things, and we're going to, as I said, we're going to talk about coaching techniques, and we're going to break that down and look at the science behind those techniques and what you can do to understand more about your bike and get you faster. And we all want that. Thank you. Hey guys, just a little footnote. Something may be well advertised, may even be popular. Doesn't mean it's the best. We don't sell tyres, and any recommendation I give to you from here is based on our testing. But I'd really like you to test for yourself, find the tyre that you love best and stick with it.